This is the entertainment system. You see, this is the tub. What up, cousins? Back with another video, your favorite cousin. And if you're new to this channel, I am Shay, or you can call me Cousins. But anyway, y'all, the wait is over. I know you seen from the title of this video what it's about to be about. You got it. I'm about to give y'all the RV tour. And y'all, if y'all seen my last video, you see how my eye was. But yes, girl, I did go to the eye doctor and they prescribed me some of this right here. I can't pronounce it, but this is what they gave me. But anyway, y'all, it is working wonders, as you can see. But let's get back to this video. Okay, y'all, I'm starting from the outside. As you can see, I do have the on and out to keep the sun out. And let me walk up here so I can show y'all. That is a storage for some of your extra stuff. It goes from the front all the way to the back. This right here is if you want to watch cable outside. This is 2 more plugs for the outside. It do have underbelly lights. I have them on, and I have the LED lights up here, and it do have the LED lights on the speakers. You might can't see because it's daylight, so I'll drop a picture of how I look at night. Okay, cousins, as promised, I just want to show y'all how I look out here with the lights on. As y'all can see, it do light it up really good. Don't worry about him with that meat on the grill, but y'all take a look at this setup. Just look what I did, y'all. Got my iPad out here with the TV going. Y'all, it's just so peaceful. But anyway, let me get back to this video, y'all, because I'm all off topic. It also have the washer and dryer connections also. So if you want to hook an outside washer and dryer up. Okay. This right here is the outside kitchen. And I'm using one hand. So I'm going to put this down and I'm going to come back and show you how the outside kitchen look also. Okay, this is the outside kitchen. As you can see, this right here pull out, and it do have the stove, 2 burners. It have a sink. It have a little extra storage right here, and it have a fridge. And it do have 2 plugs on the side right there, and it have 2 plugs on this side. So again, this is the outside kitchen. Okay, I showed y'all the outside kitchen. And it do come with a little rack. You can let that back if you wanted to, or you can store your bike under it. And keep going around. As you can see, it have the plug for another TV right here. And this right here is the outside shower. And you can pull this out. And as you can see, it got the hot and the cold water. Okay, y'all, let's go in for the tour. Okay, when you first walk in, this is the living area. Let me go back so you can see. This is the entertainment system with the TV, and that is a 70-inch TV. That is the couch, and it do let out into a bed. That is another couch right here. As you can see, the dining room table go right there, but I took it up so I would have more room. I do like it. And that one let out into a bed also. You put the table in the middle and it do turn into a bed. So that turned into a bed and that turned into a bed. This is another room right here, but let's see the bathroom. Okay, I got these hooks from Dollar Tree to hang my like robe and my towel up. And as you walk in, as you can see, this is the tub. This is the shower area. This is the sink, the toilet. And let me show y'all. And it do, you got the foot pedal. You push it, and that's how your water come down. Okay, y'all, this is the bathroom. And y'all, this is the skylight. Look, let me turn off the light. You don't even need the light in here. As you can see, it do light it up. And I want to show y'all this right here. This is to control your battery, fresh, black, and gray tank. And as y'all can see, I have 2 hot water tanks. I have gas and I have electric. And right now, I do have my electric on, so I do get hot water without even using my gas. So, that is the bathroom tour, y'all. Let's go to the room. Well, while I'm right here, I might as well just do the kitchen. This right here is the fridge, the microwave, That is the 3-burner stove and oven. And before you cook, y'all, make sure you let your glass back. And as you can see, that is the 3-burner stove, and that is the oven. I do have the 2 sinks, and I use this right here just to save space. As you can see, it have my pinto beans, my rice, my macaroni, all kind of stuff, just to save space. But yeah, y'all, and that's where my dishes go. On this side right here, I have my seasonings and all that right there. I do have a lot of seasonings, y'all. And this counter right here, I have all my little bottles and canned goods and stuff like that, sugar and stuff in that one. This is my spoons, forks, and all that good stuff like that. My pots and pans are over here. And y'all, this is my little kitchen area right here. My dishes at the top, and they do have extra lighting right there. The stove have extra lighting also, so it is pretty well lit. And I forgot to show y'all this right here. This is where the air come out, or you can close it. Like if you in the bedrooms, you can close this right here and have it going everywhere. Or if ain't nobody in the rooms, you can open this like this and just have it coming out faster in here. But anyway, let me go to the bedroom. Let me show you my room. This is the room. Let me turn on the light. Got a little storage at the top. Both of these right here, you can put your clothes and stuff in them. On that side, in that side, this is a queen size bed. You do have storage on that side over here. And this wall right here, I do want my 65-inch TV on this wall, but it's in the other room. As y'all can see, I have a 32 right here, but I do want that. If you can see what this is an antenna, because I don't have cable, so that's the antenna. And this is the room. Air conditioners right here. I got 2 vents right here, which I love. And right here, there's a cable thing right there also. So yeah. And let me turn off the light. Oh, and it do have extra light under here also. So if you didn't want that one on, you just want that one on. You ain't got to get out your bed. Okay, y'all. So you done seen all that. And they do have LED strip lighting right here. These speakers right here, this is surround sound. You can listen to it in the inside, or you can listen to it on the outside. They do have one right here, and they have one right here. And then, like I said, all these are extra vents. So it is get real cold in here. And those are the LED strips right there. Okay, now let me show y'all what I'm talking about how this lit out into a bed and how I got extra storage under here. So as you can see, you walk up, you pull it up like this, and as you can see, that is extra storage, and I just pull it just like that, and bam, is a bed. There go your beds. And as you can see, I done took the cushions off. Now I'm showing y'all this is all storage also. Okay, now y'all can see all that's my extra kitchen stuff that I got. You know, my mixers, my crock pots, my cake pan, all this extra stuff, and that's just extra space. And as y'all can see, my extra purses, my Chucky doll, all this extra space. So again, it do have a lot of space in this unit. Okay, y'all, this is the last little room. This the TV that I said I wanted to put on my wall right here. This is the dining room table I got up here. So this is a bunk bed right here, a bunk bed right here. This is another bunk bed. It also let down, but I got it up for extra space. As you can see, it got a lot of lighting right there, under there, up here, and they got the lights right there. And this got storage on the bottom right here. Window, shelves, another shelves, and it's 2 on the side. And I will be doing a craft room review. But yeah, y'all, that's it. All right, you guys, thank y'all for watching the video. That is my tiny home review. Let me know what y'all think about the RV, y'all. Bye, cousins. Stay tuned for my next video.